All right, y'all, here's my lawnmower. It's got a Briggs & Stratton 17.5 horsepower. And it won't stay idling. It'll come on. Sometimes it'll come on and run for a little while and then cut right back off. And now it ain't even coming on at all. Let me try to spray some brake cleaner in there. Maybe that'll be it. Okay, y'all. I'm gonna take this little cover off right here so I can spray some brake cleaner in there a little bit better. That's a 7/16. I'm thinking it don't get no gas, because even when it was running for just a little bit, it was like it was running just enough to drain the bowl, and then it wouldn't fill back up. See what happens. Killed the battery. I'm gonna get a battery charger. With the battery charger on, I think I'm just gonna go ahead and take this whole carburetor off and try and clean it before possibly getting a new carburetor or doing anything else like that. So I forgot to say, but I already did get a new fuel line for it. I mean, a fuel filter for it right here, because I was thinking maybe I could have something to do with it. But yeah, it doesn't do anything. And a new spark plug. So, the nuts that were holding these on was a 7/16. And I believe these are a 5/16. And it's gonna need a deep well socket. I think I get these lines off after. I always have that really coarse stud. There's a little gasket here. This thing might be full of gas, the bowl. So. Good. I guess I can look at it. Alright, so I'm going to take the bowl off of this thing and see if I can see any trash or anything like that in there, but we'll see. Alright, so after cleaning that old carburetor and it not working, I just ordered a cheap carburetor from online to see if that's going to solve the issue. And later on I can get a Briggs carb, because the Briggs carb is $150 and this thing was like 20 bucks online. And if it even makes it run any different, I'm just going to get a carburetor from the local Briggs & Stratton dealer. So here we go. Alright, so to put this back on, I think we need to put these linkages on here first, or else it's going to be really hard to get them on when everything's bolted in. Here. I would say you need to be careful with the spring, because it seems very easy to bend. This is your throttle return spring, and this would be a throttle linkage. This is your throttle blade right here, and this is the choke. This thing has an automatic choke. I think it goes in that way. I don't want to forget the gasket. It came with a new gasket, but nothing wrong with that one. I like this material. And we'll just see. These were 5/16 deep well. We got a gasket on, our linkages on. I'm gonna tighten it up. You don't want to over tighten these, but tight enough to where nothing's going to come loose, nothing's going to leak. You don't want to have any air pulled through here and it not go through the carburetor. I think we should be able to hook our fuel line up and do. Okay. I've seen this on this new carburetor. I'm not sure if this is some kind of fumbling with it. I don't know if this is like an air enrichment nozzle, like the enrichment adjustment for the air fuel mixture, or I'm not sure. This is on. All right, let's see if this makes a difference. Hopefully the battery's not dead. Yeah, that's a lot better. Okay guys, so that's way better than it was before. It's actually running fine. But yeah, so our old carburetor. This old carburetor is messed up somewhere. Cleaning it wasn't able to fix it. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this helps you with your lawnmower if it ain't running. And appreciate it. Alright y'all, so I don't think I filmed that coming out of here, but hopefully this helps you guys if your lawnmower isn't running right, or if it's you know, like mine, and it was idling and it wouldn't idle long at all, and cleaning your carburetor didn't help, or even if you don't want to clean your carburetor, you just want to get a new carburetor. So this carburetor was like 25 bucks online. It came with a spark plug and a fuel filter, but I had already actually changed those things before I got the carburetor. I had planned on getting a Briggs & Stratton carburetor, but seeing how this one's running, I might just try to run with this one to see how long it's going to last and see how it cuts my grass and everything like that. But thank you guys for watching the video. Subscribe to my channel, and I appreciate it. Thank you.